Hello, good morning everyone. Today is 2024 February 20th. So all this talk will be covered by today's research houses. So we start with the disclaimers. The stock mentioned in this video is serving as a learning purposes. It's not buying selling call for the viewer or subscriber. So let's starting with the market news. Hong Kong market stock whole year on dragon on China rate decisions. So we can see the Hang Seng is dropping 1.1%, more than 1%. China market is up by 1.5%. Anyhow, the overnight US market is not trading days because of the president days. Anyhow, we will look into the chartings for the US markets. So this is the next index. We can see the trending still upward, moving upward. Is on the up trending, and the 20-day moving average still sloping upside. Index is standing above 20 days and uptrending. So considering this is still on the healthy uptrending, anyhow, we look into the index. There are two bearish profit taking candlesticks from the last weeks. There's one shooting star and then bearish duck out clover and bullet bearish and carving right over there. We have looked on the S&P 500, pretty much similar to the Nasdaq stocks index. There were two of the bearish candlesticks as well. So on the Dow Jones, pretty much similar, and the uptrending standing above 20-day moving average. Anyhow, it start to moving below the uptrending trend. So we can see it right over there. And we will look into, maybe we can have a look on the Hang Seng Index, see how it's performed lately. So Hang Seng Index is moving sideways for the I think it's about 2 months. We can see a up ascending symmetric triangle right over here. Anyhow, it's still testing for the short-term resistance level. We can draw some line here. So we can draw some line here for the short-term trending. So see where it's going to directing toward, whether it's going to break higher for the trend changing or not. We will have to monitor it for now. And we come back to the local markets, KLCI. So during Chinese New Year's times, I believe the local market is still strong and healthy. We can see the trending breaking higher and higher. It's moving up trending. 20-day moving average is sloping up. Uptrending trend is still healthy. We can draw some line here for the short-term trending. Yep. So 20-day and uptrend trending, short-term is moving up sloping. So we are now in how many months high? We are now at the highest since June 2022. So I would say still healthy. Resistance level would be somewhere around 1560. Yep, 1560 would be next resistance level, which is 20 over points away higher. So we starting with look into the stock pick by the research house. For the first one will be by M Bank, which is IOI property. So we can see the property stock still healthy, moving higher and sloping higher. So overnight closing is 229, stop loss level given is 208, and the target given is 250 and 260. Let me zoom out a little bit to have a clearer look. Where is the target level given? So we can see that 250 is back in 250 and 260 is back into 2014 November high. So the trend is still strong uptrending right here. The slope is very steep. So I would say if you are trading for this stock, make sure you control the risks and manage your fund in allocating into these stocks. So we go for the next stock picks by the CGS SKB shut. So we can have a look on the short-term trending. So this one is pretty much like a descending triangle, symmetric triangles. We can draw some line here. So it seems to be want to break the downtrend line overnight. It's closing at 6.2 and the stop loss level given is 575, target given 67 and 7.2. I believe the second target, which is pretty much reliable comparing to the RICS, and the stop loss. The first target is around how many cent? 4.5 cent. Seems to be smaller than the stop loss level right there. So I would be very convincing for the second target and the RICS stop loss level given. The next stock pick would be Econmet. Econmet overnight closing is 78 cents, stop loss level given is 7.3, and the target given is 82 and 86 cents. So pretty much standard for the trending. I would say this one has been sideways consolidation since September 2022. So it's more than 1 year sideways consolidation. See whether it can breaking higher to much more higher trending. So say if you are entering for this level, I would say pretty much acceptable. Yep. So I will share the stock picks charting in the Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel around there. If you want to get the WhatsApp channel, Telegram channels, you can get in the description level at the bottom. So the next stock pick by the research house by UOB would be the Anju. So we can see that overnight closing is 105, and they are mentioning technical buy on the breakout 107, meaning that you need to wait for the breakout to reach toward 107 or 108, then only you can buy in. You can draw some line right over there for the descending symmetric triangles, see whether it will break or not. So it will be provide more convincing breakout level for the traders, and the stop loss level given is 99.5, target given is 116.127. Pretty much acceptable level as I mentioned in my Telegram and WhatsApp channels. I would say still stocks is been trading sideways for quite some while already. So if you have patience for it, then you can invest into it. Okay, so you must have patience and holding power. So the next topic will be Harlin. So you can see the plummet of the share price and rebounding right there. So this style of stock normally I don't quite like of this style of stock patterns share price. So anyhow, this is the UOB stock picks. So the overnight closing is 49 cents, stop loss level 36.5, pretty much not acceptable because the stop loss level is pretty much like a 30% level gaps over there, and the target given is 5.7 and 6.4. So the trading blend seems to be not convincing to me, so I would say stay away for it. The next stock would be POS, Post Office Malaysia. Okay, overnight we can see the volume coming in, which is 2.3 million share traded, and the price action is still convincing. It's up by 9% overnight. If you are buying in for this stock, I would say it's suggesting to be wait for the retracement. So wait for the retracement toward the 52 cent level would be far more convincing and risk control. And the stop loss level given is 47 cent. Seems to be not acceptable to me, I would say, because it's more than 15% stop loss level comparing to 54 cent level right over there. Even though the target given is 5.9 and 6.1, so the gap seems to be acceptable for the second target, but the gap for the risk is too large. That's why I said if you want to trade for this type of stock, you need to wait for the retracement, which is around 52 cents, and you need to adjust the stop loss level higher. I would say somewhere around 50 4.5 or 4.9 level, so you can have a control risk of 3 to 4 cent level, which is manageable risk around there. So the next topic by the RHB would be Samaidan. Okay, let's have a look. Overnight closing is 127. Stop loss level is 117. I need to adjust. I think I didn't do for the adjustment for this one. Target given is 130 and 135. But the breakout above 122. Overnight closing is 127. It's pretty much too late for the call, I would say, because the breakout has already happened for quite some while. Okay. So the next stock we go for the KKB. Okay, I need to draw some line because I think I missed out for the IHP stock picks. So they did mention pending breakout for 178. Stop loss level would be 167 level, somewhere around here. This one is acceptable stop loss level, and the target you can see, you can draw some symmetric triangles right over there. So it seems to be trading within this range, right? Trading within the range of the symmetric triangles. Okay. So see, it will break higher or lower right over there. So once it breaks, normally it comes together with the volume if they are breaking higher. Okay. So the target given is 184 and 191. So 184 and 191, I need to draw them line for you. Later on, I'll share the chartings in the Telegram channels and the WhatsApp channels. You can find the link at the bottoms of the descriptions as well. 184. Okay. How about the next stock would be SOP, Sarawak Plantation. Oil palm. So you can see the trending sideways is going to testing for the resistance. It seems to be breakout right over there. So overnight is 2x7. So it's happened to be breakout already. So that's why I said breakout above 2x6. So I need to draw a line right over there so you can have a look on it. So the stop loss level given would be 270. And the target given would be 3 ringgit and 350, right? Oh, 350 seems to be a big gap right over there, because of before this the territory within 3 to 350 there's a strong trending up and down sides. So once it's come to the 3 ringgit psychology level, is going to drive higher. Yes, possibly. Anyhow, you need to have a trailing stops. You need to continuously adjust your profit taking level right over there. So another stop pick would be FGV. Felda Globals mentioned pending breakout. So overnight closing is 147. Stop loss level given is 142. Target given is 160, 175. So I'll draw the breakout level is 150. So you need to break this level for the buying calls. So meaning that you can use the buy stop limit if you want to, no need to monitor for the stocks whether it break or not. So the next topic by the Maybank would be MSC. So you can see the trending sideways for quite some while already for the metal stocks. So metal stock which is related to the metals, steel, everything's like I say. So overnight closing is 209. Stop loss level is 196. Target given is 223 and 240. Okay, pretty much standard for the target and the stop loss level. So next up would be Naim. Okay. So overnight closing is 82 cent. Stop loss level given is 755.885 target and 9700. Pretty much standard for the stop loss and target level given. So SKB, I'm going to skip it. You can have a look on it for the targets right over there. So if you want the chartings, you can look into the description. Check on my WhatsApp link and the Telegram channels link. There's no charges for it. You can join the channels for free. If you want to open an account, you can check in the description link as well. You can liaise with me through WhatsApps, and hope you enjoy trading. Thank you very much and goodbye.